Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. So this reading I feel is about ancient wisdom, like some realizations which you're going to have, which has to do with your ancestors. For example, you have sudden interest in astrology, or you want to pursue something and you are thinking, but nobody in my family has this interest, why am I developing this, right? So it is some ancient information, that wisdom has been passed to, so that you can fulfill that desire. Okay, so and you should actually, if it's really interesting to you, then you should actually pursue that. Okay, regardless of how unconventional it is as per the society's definition, and how your family thinks about that you're pursuing certain interest. So let's see what is coming for you. I'm seeing like right now a lot of crows, and crows also give this message for holding that ancestor thing, that message. And yeah, you could be maybe getting some dreams also, some vivid lucid dreams. Let's see what's the message coming for this collective. The Magician. Right now here, the Magician, I really feel it's again the ancient wisdom. Like you have lot of things, lot of skills, lot of potential, and you yourself don't know how you are so gifted, or you are know so many things. It's like that has been passed to you. Wow. So the Magician card, see, it's very interesting card. Like it has cups also, it has pentacles also, it has swords, it has wands. It's like you can really manifest things easily if you really believe in it, if you don't operate from the lack mindset. So maybe it's the time that it's telling you that think big for yourself, aim high, pursue certain things, and you're going to manifest something very soon. I can see, I can feel. Something to do here is also with the service. Start taking care of something, like maybe it's just taking care of some plants or some animals or birds, feeding needy people, feeding birds, feeding animals. If you have, or maybe you're really pulled to this these days, maybe to do these kind of services. Do that quite often. Start connecting with like outside of you and your relationships, your family. Start connecting with nature, animals, birds. Spend time in nature. Queen of Cups, it start talking about. And then we have Ace of Pentacles. Again, see, beautiful, amazing, all amazing cards are coming here. So the Queen of Cups, like you're in tune with your feelings. You know what you want to do, what makes you really happy, regardless of what you were doing before and what you thought that you would do in future, but now your interests are getting changed, and this is going to bring this new opportunity. It is like changing your life in terms of abundance. You are going to grow a lot in terms of money, wealth. That mindset, basically, I'm seeing it's changing. Because if the mindset is not changed, even if you have money, you're not going to enjoy it, right? So it's about feeling abundant within, feeling content. For some of you, I'm seeing a lot of travel, like going on mountains or any your favorite destination, and meeting new people. Yes, something will happen in that travel, like you will have this change of perception or something interesting with this. Also I see change of place. Yeah, change of place. Yes, it's going to happen. Change of jobs. The job finally you want to do, the work you really want to do now. you are moving past from the hurdles which you are facing in your career, in your any situation right now. Okay, there is a lot of disturbance in the background, maybe right now in your, because I don't know why suddenly I feel to do this reading on the terrace with this. I know that there is disturbance, but still I'm doing, right? Okay, I'm just waiting for them to little bit. There is a lot of noise going on. Noise, I mean, in your head, you're thinking a lot of things, or how people perceive you, opinion, or how people are talking to you and it is bothering you, or you are too much attached how people see you, how people think of you. So you need to detach from people's perspective. You need to have that confidence within you. Okay, let me check more. Let's see what is coming for this collective. Wow, at the bottom of the deck we have 6 of Cups. So something to do with your past, maybe some past people. For some of you it could be your ex-lovers contacting you, meeting your old friends, revisiting yourself, like how you were, what you learned from your life. You are like, you have introspecting within yourself a lot and making your life more refined with your experiences and learning. You are really like very like visionary now. You're very clear with everything. So you are going to manifest for sure, because we have got 10 of Cups also. So certainly there are things going to manifest which is you were really longing for. And travel, as I said, it's there. A lot of new things. Maybe you were so busy in something that you were not focusing on certain areas of your life which gives you joy, and here it will start happening. You're still confused though. You're still confused, but your confusion will get cleared. Oh, okay, when I said confused, it could be with some person. You're dealing with some person, maybe, I don't know if they are in contact with you or not, but you are dealing with that person with the memory, or with some regrets, or you attract people who are not good for you, and you're like questioning yourself, why do I attract such people in my life? So it has to, let me clear you, it is all designed karmically, like it's a karmic pattern to help you evolve. And you have to see where you're not breaking that chain, why you still want this chain. Can you see why you still this bondage which is not serving you? So that kind of revisit again I see. So again, someone, you had a separation, or you had bad relationship, or maybe it ended abruptly, it was not a good ending with them, or still the closure is not there. That person may really visit you, or suddenly a lot of past people, or you may also think of contacting to some of your past people. So be very, very mindful. Rather than approaching them, please write down or talk to yourself why you want to go back to them to talk. Okay, so just you should know the consequences of things, and if you're ready to face the consequences, why not go ahead, then I will not say anything. Okay, yeah, you are really thinking of, maybe it's you are thinking to talk to someone or approach someone, or you're expecting someone's call, message. It could be also for some job role, or some profession, of course. Okay, again we have got 6 of Cups, past. So it's not always for everyone going to be a bad, like if past people are coming, it could be good for someone. Maybe you can talk and understand. but do it mindfully. Some rewards, as I said, rewards, I have the Empress card here. So some reward is coming to you in some way. This is going to really make you happy. Start observing everything in your life right now. Even the smallest thing, like you watched a very amazing sunset, that is also a reward, that you got that time, that you're watching it like just being at peace with yourself, right? We have King of Swords. Some communication is really going to happen with someone. But you are going to be strong, I see. You're not going to be behaving in the same way. And this is all I'm talking about within 3 weeks, 6 days, whenever you're watching this, okay? The rewards, when I said, it's also about the first message I told you, that you are going to feel that, realize your skills and potential. And when I said that in the timeline, it was 11/11. So it's like you're realizing your potential, you're realizing certain things, looking from out of the box. And wow, this has to do with your ancestral gift, you know. So you should be really thankful to your ancestors. Just remember them once in a day and be thankful. Please say thank you to them. Knight of Pentacles. Again, I feel this dream thing. Maybe you will get some message in your dreams, or when you're sitting meditating. Okay, so 3 more cards and I'm ending the reading. Okay, and at the bottom of the deck we have Death card. So as I said in the beginning, something is ending in a way that now you're going to upskill for something new, and not operating with how you were before, right? So we have Justice, we have Temperance, and we have Sun. Give me a second. Maybe you're going to build some business, you are going to be at higher position, some government job or studies if you're looking forward, and some kind of achievement which has to do with something independent. I feel like you are going to establish that thing for you, which will benefit you for long time. And you have decided something is coming in your favor, something is really ending, because we have Justice, like something will be something is turning in your favor. And here, see, Justice, what happens, like for example, you go to, I will explain in a small example, like justice in a way of law and order. So you go for some justice, right, that this is the case, and you know, you fight for your rights, right? So it is something like that, that you have fought for yourself, for your rights. It could be in your family, relationships, career, you with yourself, and that is going to serve you. Like, it's like a very Saturn energy, where I feel it's like your hard work, your dedication, your devotion to yourself first is going to give you results. The healing you did, we have Temperance. It's like, I feel here it's about inner healing, the inner work you did, okay? It's going to it's actually going to take you in a beautiful journey. See, here if you see, I will show you. It's a path going, and you know, it's like a sunrise, okay? So something is like, life is coming in light, and good opportunities, good people you're meeting. And then there are, see here, the flowers are blooming. So like, maybe you never thought that this will come. you sow that seed, and now that that is going to give you fruits, which you thought, yeah, I did sometimes back, I thought of, maybe you wrote it somewhere, you wished it for some time back, I mean maybe months ago or years ago, and now you'll be like turning the pages, hey, I really manifested this, I really wanted this. It's like that kind of feeling you're going to get, and it is going to make you free. This Temperance card, see this with the wings, like, wow, I really balanced it, I really did it, I came out of that, and you will be thankful. And I will say, don't attach that you did it. Always remember, you're not the doer. Be thankful to the Almighty, be thankful to the Divine, that thanks for making me feel and realize this way, bringing this opportunity in my life. Ground yourself. You really need to walk barefoot. You really need to ground yourself. Start walk, like I said, connect with nature, connect with animals, connect with trees, ocean, mountains, wherever you are, and walk barefoot. Maybe just 10-15 minutes is also good, okay? And again, I see some kind of communication is going to come. It may be in meeting, maybe on call, some important conversation is going to happen for you. So this was your reading, guys. If it resonated, please like, subscribe, and comment also. Even if it is like after 3 weeks or within 3 weeks you feel this was the message really helped you and you remember this reading, do come back and write down, okay? See you guys in the next reading. Take care. Bye bye.